and being patient with the circus we call our classroom. To our elected teachers, Mr. Jacob Leichman and Evan Swinehart, thank you for the days when we just had fun, we were chilling, or just having a laugh, while learning at the same time, of course. And I would like to give a special acknowledgement to the most beautiful, gorgeous, independent, and strongest woman I have ever known since I was brought to this earth, my mother. Hi, Mom. She's right there. Without her, I would not even exist, like literally. You know the saying, learning starts at home? Yeah, that's 100% my mom. Like literally, she taught me at home for preschool, while continuing her degree and taking care of 2 more rowdy organisms, my 2 siblings. Can you believe that? She did that all on her own, and I've learned a lot from her, and all my good traits come from her. And by far, she has sacrificed it all for her children, especially for her favorite child. And I know I can be very difficult to deal with, annoying and childish sometimes. Okay, all the time. At least I got some of your good looks. Oh, and don't worry about me in the future, because I'm a Xavier navigator. I will probably fall out of my canoe while sailing through life, but hey, I can swim. Alright, I know many of you have gotten so bored from my long thank you remarks. You just want to get over the boring part so we can start the party. Yeah. It reminds me of when my class would deliberately take a long time in prayer so that we would have less time in class. Or when we would take our time during presentations in class so that the classmate who was assigned after us and was not there would have time to prepare their presentation. Anyways, high school has been a wild ride, hasn't it? And it's...
We laugh, shed tears, and tenderly. Never thought you would have to leave, but then on March 13th, we separated eternally. Here's to the ones that we got. Here's to the wish you wait, but you're not, 'cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in the day. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Scattered across the sea. Praying this pandemic would end. Hoping I'd see you again, yeah. Thinking of watching you from afar. Hurt the most 'cause you're a part of us, yes you are. That we got. But it's tonight 'cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Close to the ones in the day. Close to the ones.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I
you hallelujah. Girl, send you hallelujah. Don't believe me, just watch. Wait a minute.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Mr. Worldwide to infinity. You know it's on fire.
Mine is Chuuk, malamar. Yeah.
All seniors, come to the red All seniors. Junior.
Picture.
Iron on. Please proceed to the red tent.
Ready? Okay, picture girl.
Oh, they are aspiring for valedictorian. Yeah, another pictures. Go now, everybody. Go there. Sa grupo. Sunod na picture ha.
Alright, everybody here for its official Xavier picture. 3, 2, 1. Great, thank you. Destiny!
Ato wanna put, sir? Kami naman, dalawa. Thank you. Solo. Solo na. Solo
But we give the balloon outside.
Thank you. Family, family. Family, family. Oh, family food. Oh. Okay. Alam ko cute yung dalawa.